Want to add custom branding to your Mailchimp emails? You've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to make your emails stand out with your own unique style, giving your communications that personal touch. Now, before we dive in, did you know you can use Mailchimp completely free with some exclusive bonuses from the link below? That's right, you can get started today, so don't forget to check it out after the video. I'll also mention something exciting at the end, so stick around. Alright, let's get to the first thing. One of the easiest ways to add custom branding is by uploading your logo to Mailchimp. Simply head to the Campaign section, select Create Campaign, and when you start designing your email, you'll see the option to add images. Upload your logo here to make sure your brand is front and center. Next, you'll want to adjust the color scheme of your emails to match your brand's palette. This is key for consistency across all your email campaigns. Mailchimp allows you to set custom colors under the Design tab, where you can select color blocks and background colors. Make sure to use your brand's HEX codes to keep everything aligned with your company's branding. Now, the third thing is customizing your fonts. Did you know Mailchimp lets you choose from a variety of fonts that can help reflect your brand's identity? From the Design tab, you can select your preferred fonts for headings and body text. If you're looking for something more unique, you can also upload custom fonts to further differentiate your emails. The fourth thing to keep in mind is your email's layout and structure. Mailchimp gives you the flexibility to adjust the layout of your email templates. You can add or remove blocks, change the width, and adjust the padding to better suit your brand style. This is a crucial step for keeping your emails organized and visually appealing. Next up, let's talk about the email signature. Adding a custom email signature is another great way to reinforce your branding. At the bottom of your email, you can add a personalized signature with your logo and contact information. This not only gives your email a professional touch, but also makes it clear who's sending the communication. The sixth thing is optimizing your social media links. Ensure that your brand's social media handles are linked at the bottom of your emails. This helps to drive more engagement and connects your email marketing efforts with your social channels. Mailchimp makes it easy to link to your profiles by adding social media blocks to your emails. Finally, remember to test your email before sending it out. Check that your branding looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. Mailchimp allows you to preview how your email will appear on different devices, ensuring that your custom branding is optimized for all screen sizes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can make your Mailchimp emails truly reflect your brand's unique style. Don't forget, we've got an exclusive offer for you. Check out the link below for a free trial of Mailchimp, plus some additional bonuses to get you started. Thanks for watching, and be sure to use these tips to take your Mailchimp branding to the next level.